This will work for pretty much every web browser. So for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections, click on it. And then once you're in this, you're going to find your network adapter, you're going to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have both these options on the default. So obtain an IP address automatically, select this, and obtain DNS server address automatically, select this, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to go to the web browser that you're having a problem with. It can be any web browser. You're going to go to the settings. So in this web browser, which is Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on reset settings. If you don't see it on the web browser that you're using, you could just search for reset, and then this should come up. Restore settings to the original defaults. So you're going to click on that. You can untick this, and then click on reset settings. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And then you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.